Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I'm going to try a watercolor. Um, excuse me. I'm thinking about a rainbow over some mountains. I just wanted to give it a try and see if I could make a rainbow out of watercolor. I ended up using quite a lot of wet on wet technique. Which is kind of cool. You could see the colors kind of blend on the rainbow and stuff. I used my Jane Davenport watercolors. I tried to put a bunch of blues, purples, and grays in the sky. Try to make it a little bit different. For a rainbow to happen, it has to have, rain. So I wanted some clouds in the sky. It's kind of a loose interpretation of a sky, though, but it was fun to do. And here I sprayed the painting with a water bottle and tipped it up so that way the colors could run down like rain. I just wanted to see if that technique would work for this. The water was surprisingly easy to paint and watercolor. At least this time it came out really nice, I think. So when I started the actual rainbow, I started with the yellow first. Um, my colors did kind of bleed together a little bit because I didn't wait till it dried because I wanted it to have a little bit of a blend to get those other colors to show up. And then I went back over to intensify some of the colors. I tried to use similar colors from the sky into the mountains to try to push them back into the background a little bit. I used paper towel to dab a little bit of the colors back up to give it more texture. Apparently, my camera didn't pick up a little bit where I was adding some of the mountain colors down into the water. When you do that, just try to keep a horizontal line, and then it'll look like reflections and shadows in the water. I used a white gel pen to create some highlights on the water. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.